2014 Topps Museum Collection. Gonna have 2 jerseys and 2 autos. And I think 10 packs. Something like that. Oh, 4 mini boxes. So 4 mini boxes and 4 hits. That's right. Alright. Let me get all these packs out real quick. Alright. Okay. 2014 Topps Museum Collection. 4 packs. Pack number 1. Not sure where the hit's gonna be. Right there. Alright, got a rookie, couple rookies, and a canvas. Rookie for the Texans, Tom Savage. Not numbered. Tom Savage for the Texans. Another rookie for the Cardinals, Logan Thomas. Logan Thomas. Canvas card for the Saints, Drew Brees. Drew Brees canvas. And hit number 1. Nice. Jumbo jersey. For the Raiders, Derek Carr. Nice low numbered too, numbered out of 50. Nice hit. Derek Carr for the Raiders out of 50. Nice jersey. There's pack number 1. On to pack number 2. Take that base off the back. Okay, just 1 rookie. Rookie for the Rams, Trey Mason. Trey Mason for the Rams. And hit number 2 is going to be nice, a quad jersey. Let's see, we got all 49ers. That is Frank Gore, Patrick Willis, Colin Kaepernick, and is that Vernon Davis? Yep. All 49ers. Frank Gore, Patrick Willis, Colin Kaepernick, and Vernon Davis. I think only Kaepernick's on the team this year. Crazy change after 1 year. That is numbered out of 99. Nice quad jersey for the 49ers. So we should have the autos remaining. Rookies, 1 rookie. Got a rookie for the Chiefs, Aaron Murray. Aaron Murray for the Chiefs. And hit number 3, gonna be nice for the Rams. Zach Stacy, numbered out of 300. Zach Stacy had a good year end of last year, but fell off the face of the earth this year. Zach Stacy for the Rams out of 300. So this one, I believe, should be the auto jersey. And it is a thick one. Got a blue parallel. And blue parallel and a rookie. Oh, try to sneak those base cards. Oh, 2 rookies. Rookie for the Raiders, Derek Carr. Derek Carr for the Raiders. The blue parallel for the Raiders again, Bo Jackson. That is out of 99. Bo knows football. For the Raiders out of 99. And a rookie for the Titans, Bishop Sankey. Bishop Sankey. And the last hit is jersey auto. It's been coming up a lot. Cordarrelle Patterson for the Vikings. Can't get away from him. Veteran auto, Cordarrelle Patterson for the Vikings out of 75. Auto jersey. So somebody's got an instant Cordarrelle Patterson collection. That's it for